Hello, WhatsApp voice changer is a new feature WhatsApp recently added. So now, if you want to change your voice in WhatsApp, you can do so. And most especially, it goes for those who are using FM and GB WhatsApp. Now, you can be dynamic in your voice. You can change your voice to Kate, Fanny, Chunk, and just count of them. You are welcome to my page, The One Movie. Please, if you are new here, consider subscribing. Now, let's move into this new feature and how to use this new feature of WhatsApp. So, if you're using FM WhatsApp, and I will recommend that you have to update it to this version. So let's check the version of this. FM, go to about. Now you could see this version got a feature of voice changer. So when you're sending a voice note to anybody, you can choose to change the voice to what you want. Good, right? So right now, let me open a conversation or a chat. So there's a chat. Great. And I want to record voice notes. You send this message. When you send this message, let me try and listen.
Hello, testing my mic. Hello, testing my mic.
Good. Now let's try to change the voice. So you cannot change the voice of already recorded or pre-recorded audio. So when you're about to record an audio or a voice note, you come to this place. Then you will see voice changer. Click on that. Then you select among this or bunch, robot, baby, teenager, deep, fast, and so on. So let me use baby and go back and record. You can see it is processing, and now let me try and play.
Hello, testing my mic. Hello, testing my mic.
So now you can see the voice has changed. Let's try another one and use fast. Great. Great.
Hello, testing my mic. Hello.
So you could see the thing is being forwarded, being fast. Good. So this is how to use voice changer, and you can try each and every one of these. Some are so cool: underground, deep, teenager, slow motion, it will slow your voice, and you have a reverse, it will reverse the voice. Everything you say will be in reverse. And you will see it will play in reverse.
Hello, testing my mic. Hello, testing my mic.
Great. So that's how it is. And if you want to go back to normal, what you need to do is to come to disable and use the normal voice note recording. Thank you for watching. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Stay safe, eh? God bless you. Bye-bye.